What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about Memecoin, which has pumped up once again very early this morning. As you guys can see, it's pumped up 36% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at just about 4 cents. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up. As you guys can see, over the last week it has pumped up about 50%, which is quite decent. We're going to be looking at how high is it likely to go in December, especially going into 2024 over the next 3 to 4 weeks. Is this a crypto worth investing into? Is it a must-have in 2024? How high can it go? So on and so on. So the usual predictions, and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view. And as you guys can see, it is the second top gainer, or third now top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance. So before I go any further, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Binance website looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator here at the bottom, which we're going to be using to do the price prediction for the short term. And we're not going to go too long term. As I've mentioned plenty of times, there is not much data on the crypto, as it was initially launched not too long ago. To be specific, it was launched on the 3rd of November, which was just over a month ago. So the long-term prediction is not accurate, and as you guys know, I don't want to provide you guys with false or inaccurate information. So let's zoom in into the 15-minute chart, and then I'll move on to the hourly, 4-hour chart and the daily chart as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 15-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Memecoin over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting the crypto to have slightly dropped down in value. Nothing crazy, potentially just below 4 cents is what I'm expecting, but over the next couple of hours it's likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment, potentially to 0.044 to 0.045 cents, somewhere around that price range, and then slowly starting to drop back down in value towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Dropping just below 4 cents is what I'm expecting from Memecoin over the next 12 to 14 hours, but as previously, do expect it to be quite volatile up and down. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking a little bit more skeptical here. The blue line is clearly looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one is looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Memecoin over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by the start to mid of next week, Memecoin should essentially be trading around its current price range of 4 cents in target is what I'm expecting. However, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently staying at that price for the next 7 week or so. It is likely to pump up to potentially around 5 cents over the next couple of days before it slowly starts to drop back down. And again, just like the previous chart, it is likely to pump up in value and then slowly start to drop. And especially that Bitcoin is currently trading, let's have a look at it. It is trading at an insane amount right now, over 40. Well, it did take a little bit of a dip, I think, which has pumped up the market last night. As you guys can see, it hit a highest of $42,300 last night. It has taken a little bit of a dip, but yeah, this had a major impact on the crypto market in a positive direction, which has also affected Memecoin in a bullish direction as well. So moving on to the 4-hour chart, next about 2 to 3 weeks, guys. Again, we've got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Memecoin towards mid to late December. But I'm expecting it to head over 5 cents, potentially near about hitting 6 cents by late December is what I'm expecting from Memecoin. However, do expect red days in between as usual, but again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. going into 2024, guys, I am expecting the crypto to have dropped back down to around 3 cents in target in Q1 of 2024. These are my predictions right now, but this is bound to change because there is not much data on the crypto. If you guys want to keep updated on a regular basis on Memecoin, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto. But at the moment, I'm expecting it to pump up in value, and in early 2024 for it to slowly start to drop back down to around just below 3 cents is what I'm expecting. So moving on to the daily chart, not possible. As you guys can see, the MACD indicator, we've literally got a little blue line here, meaning there is not much data on this crypto to do the long-term prediction over the next 6 to 8 weeks, which means we are not going to do that. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume once again pumped up over 160% in the last 24 hours, making it $723 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money and a huge percentage increase in the last 24 hours in trading, meaning a lot more people are looking into the project right now. There's a lot more buyers as well as a lot more sellers, meaning, yeah, but from both sides, we're seeing a lot of activity and a lot of trading going on, which is also helping the value of Memecoin pump up as well. So for those of you asking me, is now the right time to buy it or is it the right time to sell it? Personally, I wouldn't invest into the crypto. As I mentioned in my previous Memecoin updates, there's not much data on the crypto, meaning I will not be investing into it at the moment, depending on how it performs. But more than likely, even if it was a good project and so on, I wouldn't buy it right now because it is overvalued, and as I mentioned earlier on in the video, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value, so I'll rather buy it when it drops back down than buy it now because I am a long-term trader. And from the seller's point of view, is now the right time to sell it? Well, yes it is, but I wouldn't sell all of it. So if I had $1,000 into the crypto right now, I would sell about 40%, 40 to 50%, and I would only sell it if I want a profit, which means I've taken out some profit and I've also got some investment into Memecoin, which I will hold on to for the next couple of months or potentially end of 2024, 2025, depending on how it performs. So it's a win-win situation from both sides. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Memecoin. I'm not expecting it to hit 10 cents anytime soon, potentially mid next year, depending on how it performs. But yeah, I know it's not too far off from the 10 cents target, but I'm not expecting it to pump up that high anytime soon. So let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the 10 cents target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.